Here's Wally in his Top Thrill dragster. Ready, bud? Here you go. Whee! And bonk. Now let's see if he does reverse. Wally! Come on, baby. Come on. Come here, Mom. Come here to Mommy. I think he likes it. Can you go backwards? Or are you just about done? Woo! Look at you! Good job! You're a good driver. Oops. I think he gets the idea when he can't go any farther, that he knows to go the other opposite direction. Good job, you! Good job! High five!